welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie Nicole. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see the LED lights, the shirt, you know, there's a little theme going on. I know y'all see the pink. I want y'all to guess what's in here. Like, just guess. I'll give y'all like 5 seconds. You guessed it, the pink iPad. Yeah, but okay, so this is the iPad. Let's unbox this bad boy. Hey guys, I did not get the pencil because I saw on TikTok that the 2nd generation pencil is not like compatible with this, which is fine. Like, I just needed it for school and YouTube. So right now I edit on my phone, and it's a lot to edit on my phone because it's just like so small. So I got this. I can edit on it a lot easier. I can read my books on here. I can draw. I can journal. It's just gonna be like a little, just all in one, you know? Some people care about like the little specs, like, oh, it has this chip, oh, it has that chip. I personally do not care about that. I like the color, and it's an iPad, and it has the home button. That is literally all I needed. But this is pink, so y'all know I had to buy it. So I don't know if I'm gonna put y'all like so y'all can see me. Y'all really came here for the iPad, so I'm gonna let y'all see the iPad. Okay guys, so we're gonna isn't that so aesthetically pleasing? I'm trying to make this aesthetic, guys. It's not really working. Ooh, okay, this is the box again. iPad, like the little Apple logo. Oh my god, guys, look. Oh my god, wait. Okay, before I unravel the iPad, oh my god, guys, it looks so pretty already. Wow. Okay, but before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box. So it says, you know, designed by Apple California. Ooh. Oh my god, it comes with the cube, and it comes with a charger. That's so cool, because y'all know like a lot of devices don't become with that nowadays. So okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side, and then let's see what's in here. iPad. Yes. Wait, read that with me. If it will focus. Top button with Touch ID. I didn't know there was Touch ID at all. USB-C. USB-C is the same thing as the MacBook. I feel like they should just change everything to USB-C, because I have 2 devices that have USB-C, and I have 1 device that still has UBC. I think that's what it's called. That's so cute though. And like, guys, look at it. Like, it's so cute. Okay. What else is in here? Any more goodies? Just like other... I'm waiting for the Apple stickers. Wait, guys, I think I took it out already. Yeah, Apple stickers. I'm about to put this on my thing. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my god. It's gonna make it dirty. My hand's gonna make it dirty, guys. Oh my god, the pink iPad. Wow. Y'all see me now. I feel like so. But wow, it looks so pretty. Oh my god. Y'all see this? Like, I don't think y'all see what I'm seeing. Wait, let me turn it on. Pretty. Ooh, she's starting up real quick. Wait. Like, seeing what I'm seeing, so. Look at the hello. Oh my god. Okay, English. Oh my god, it moves so fast. Wait. United States. Oh my god, look at it, guys. For this part, I'm gonna do it with y'all. Like, y'all gonna be like here with me. Like, we're gonna do it like front facing. Quick start, setup mint. Oh wait, I can just do the quick start one. For the quick start, I have to use my phone. I'm recording on my phone, so I'll be back. I don't care what nobody says. It moves mad fast and all that cool stuff right now. But guys, I'm gonna finish showing y'all the setup. Don't y'all hate when y'all get a new device and it asks to do a software update? Like, yes, I'm gonna download and install it, but why? Like, let's agree. Like, it's so, like, it's just so cute. I love this so much. Like, I really, holla. People said that the color was tacky. It's really not tacky. Like, it's a really cute pink. It reminds me of like the iPhone 5. I don't know if y'all was like around for that, but in middle school there was like the iPhone 5 and it came with all these cool colors like yellow, blue, pink, and this is what it reminds me of. This is the software update. I'm just waiting to prepare the update. But okay, so it's preparing the update. Guys, it's 11:52. I literally have school tomorrow. But okay guys, I'm back. So, oh my god, it's saying hello again. Okay. I was the same password. Wait, how did it? Guys, I'm a little scared. I don't have any words. It's still preparing the update though, apparently. I did this so everything could be downloaded by tomorrow so I could just use it regularly tomorrow. Like, but it's updating. So we're just gonna wait for. Wait, does it have Face ID? Guys, I don't think it has Face ID. I don't have a problem with that, but like, let me. Okay, restore from iCloud, time remaining. It's gonna be mad time, guys. Watch. Okay, so y'all, the iPad does not have Face ID. Just letting y'all know. It does have the like. Okay, see over here. Yeah, that's where you like put your finger or thumb. Touch ID, which I don't have a problem with. I just feel like, well, they're both quick, but I feel like Face ID is usually much quicker. Only the Pro options, like the iPad Pro, have it, which I wasn't spending over $1,000 for an iPad though, guys. This in total with Apple Care cost me, plus taxes and everything, of course, cost me $689 with the student discount. Because I am going to college next year. Y'all get ready for the college vlogs, yes. Oh my god, guys, it follows you as like a face tracker. I don't know what other specific tech specs of the Pro versus the iPad 10th generation, but personally I feel like the regular iPad was just cool option for me, nothing too much, and I feel like it would just get the job done. Like, I'm gonna buy a pencil from Amazon. It'll take a minute to restore everything from iCloud because I have like a lot of stuff on. But guys, enough of that rambling. If you like my face, want to see more of my existence, please make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Let me just show y'all her again before we say goodbye because she's restoring. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video and I hope y'all like the little unboxing. Okay, bye.